Hi there, my name is Richard Stillman. I'm with DOANE University. This is a general chemistry 2, section 1 class. My professor is Dr. King Caps. This is the elephant toothpaste experiment. Um, First of all, I'm going to set this up. I have yeast here. I'm going to add some warm water to. I have hydrogen peroxide. Now I only have 3%. 10% is suggested, up to 35%. The higher concentration, the better the reaction is going to be. Unfortunately, this is all of our town cells. And we have some dish soap. Didn't have any food coloring, but this is blue, so I think we're going to get a good blue fountain. And that's pretty much all that's needed. So let's go ahead and pour in our hydrogen peroxide. Now you don't need too much. Okay. Should be good right there. Add our dish soap. What this dish soap is going to do is it's going to capture. You don't need that much. The bubbles are going to capture all the oxygen that's released. In this reaction, it's a rapidly decomposing reaction where the yeast is acting as a catalyst to break down hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O. H2O2. Sorry, it's got one extra oxygen molecule. It's going to break that off. The oxygen is going to go, and it's basically going to create water. And it's an exothermic reaction, so it's going to produce heat to the surroundings. And without further ado, let's add I already have some warm water here. I'm going to mix it in with our yeast. Don't need too much there. Mix it up. Now over time, this hydrogen peroxide, it will actually break down on its own and turn into water. But we're going to speed it up with this catalyst. We got this good and mixed. Let's go ahead and add it. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. Oh, there we go. No, it is working. I think it would work better. Kind of the limitations of the study, like I said, or the experiment, is that we didn't have more hydrogen peroxide, and the food coloring would have been nice to have. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go out and get it. But we got this nice little white thing. Obviously, you can see it's working. It's still producing. It's still flowing. I added about 2/3 ounce of yeast packet. This is the yeast I used. If I would have used more dish soap, I think I might have had a little bit more bubbles. And yeah, like I said, this is exothermic reaction. It's actually releasing the free energy. From the Gibbs free energy design or equation. And basically, I think that's it. Hope this has been a good presentation. And I hope you all enjoyed. I am going to try this later because it seems so much fun. But I'm going to get the right supplies here in the future. But work with what you can get. So, all right, thank you for watching.